Hi, I'm Emily. I've been crafting for over 5 years, and today we're giving life to something super simple. A glass jar. You probably have one sitting at home waiting for someday. Well, today is the day. When working with glass, always protect your eyes, wear a mask, and wash your hands after engraving. You'll find more tips in our user manual. There are so many things you can do with a plain jar. Here, I engraved a coffee jar. It's way better than a sticker or marker. It won't rub off, ever. This one, it became a beautiful flower vase that now lives on my coffee table. But today, we're making a candle holder. And here's why glass engraving is so magical. It catches light beautifully. So, the more you engrave, the more it glows. You can use the stencils that came with your kit or go freestyle. Personally, I'm mixing both. Today, I picked a quote I love and added some flowers around it. Quick tip. I printed the phrase in a font I liked. You can find cool ones online and paste that print out inside the jar. Then I traced the design with a permanent marker on the outside. I'm also adding some flowers freehand and using some stencil shapes for extra detail. Once your design is ready, it's go time. Place a dark cloth or paper underneath to improve visibility while engraving on clear materials. Start with a medium ball bit. Set the customizer to speed level number 2. Hold the jar from underneath or place your hands inside to help you rotate as you engrave. Start by outlining. Take your time here. This is what defines your design. Use a wet cloth to gently wipe away the dust as you go. Never blow it off. Now switch to the big ball bit. This one removes more material. Use it to fill in areas like I'm doing here in this phase. It makes the engraving pop and it helps the light shine through. Finally, let's add some detail with the flame bit. It's perfect for shading. For glass, I like to set the customizer at speed level number 1 and use almost no pressure. Move quickly and lightly over the surface. It'll give you a dotted effect. It's really subtle and it adds depth. I'll use it to add dimension inside the petals with the flower. Drop a candle inside, polish off any dust, and admire your work. Here's a fun tip. Want your design to really stand out? Use an acrylic paint marker over the engraving, then wipe off the excess. The paint will stay inside the etched areas, and that's it. You just turned an everyday jar into something beautiful and one of a kind. Keep it for yourself or gift it to someone special. And if you're looking for more inspiration, here's what other customers have made using their customizer.